Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mikis Auto Tools. In the previous video, I showed you how to add your Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Threads accounts into the MKT affiliate. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through another powerful feature inside the MKT affiliate software, the video management section, where you organize and prepare your videos before publishing them across multiple platforms. Before we get into the main content, let's roll the intro. Alright, once you open the software, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a section called Video Management. First, you'll need to create categories. For example, you might create a category like Men's Fashion Channel, AI Product Reviews, or any niche you're working in. This helps you organize and filter videos based on different affiliate channels. Now let's talk about adding a video. When you upload a video into the system, this is where the software becomes different from other tools. Once the video is added, you can enter a custom video title. Use the video title as the description if needed. Apply everything instantly with one click. When you publish the video, that title will automatically appear on the platform. Next, you can add hashtags and keywords. When you post the video to platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook fan page, YouTube Shorts, Threads, the system will automatically push those hashtags along with your post. You can also write a custom video description, which appears under the title when published. Now here's one of the most important features, adding your affiliate link. This is extremely important for Shopee affiliate marketers. All you need to do is copy your Shopee product link, paste it into the link section inside the software. When the video is published, the system will automatically attach your affiliate link to the post. No more manual copy-pasting. No more manually adding links platform by platform. With just one click, your video is published across all platforms, with your affiliate link automatically inserted. That saves a huge amount of time. The same applies if you're doing TikTok affiliate. The process works exactly the same way. After filling in title, hashtags, description, affiliate link, just click Save Video, and everything will be stored inside the video management section. From there, you can easily manage and publish your videos anytime. So that's an overview of the video management feature inside the MKT affiliate software, how it works, what it does, and why it's extremely convenient for affiliate marketers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.